Don't miss a great opportunity to own this immaculate home in beautiful Bosque Farms. This opulent ranch-style home features numerous amenities throughout. As soon as you walk in, you will feel at home in the open floor plan, which features custom windows to let in the southern sun. You may choose instead to close the valley blinds and get cozy in front of the stone fireplace with its built-in bookshelves, the perfect spot to curl up with a good book. This home has upgraded insulation to keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The recently renovated gourmet kitchen will inspire your inner chef with its granite countertops and island as you appreciate the abundant custom cabinetry. Enjoy eating in the beautiful ambient lighting of your breakfast nook, or walk through the door to the covered patio to bask in the peace and tranquility that only country living can offer. Enjoy the newly remodeled master suite and spacious master bath with double granite sink and vanity. This property has plenty of room for pets, horses, and other animals. They will love living here too. For more information on this property, contact Connie Sandoval or Wendy Wallace at Coldwell Banker Legacy.